Hello everyone, welcome to Codecrafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the pattern 9 from TUF Plus. So here we can see the pattern is in the in this format. So it is erect as well as like a pyramid shape asterisk pattern. So let's try to understand this problem. So basically, if you are given with a, like here you can see, right, this is like a n equal to 4, and then you have to print like 1 3 5 7, then again 7 5 3 1. So can you identify this particular pattern here? Like earlier example we did like a the pyramid shape. Here we did the same pyramid shape, then we did inverted pyramid shape after that. So it's a combination of both the patterns, and here you can clearly say you have to use same for loops here. Like this is the one that we can make use of. I'll just copy paste this. Copy. Copy and paste it here. This is my normal pyramid, and then what I'll do, I'll just copy this one and paste it below that, and we will need to add one println here because we missed earlier println at the end of for loop, and println here also. So this will work basically. This should be the output of this particular pattern. So let's try to code this. So you can refer to the previous lectures where we have explained like how to do the normal pyramid, then how to do the inverted pyramid. We are just here combining both those programs. I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, then for int j equal to 0, j is less than n minus I minus 1. So this is the formula that we derived for the normal pyramids spaces part, and the first for loop was for the number of rows in the normal pyramid. Okay, then what we'll do here, system dot out dot print, and we'll do space. Okay, then now we have to write the for loop to print then stars 1 3 5 7. So what was the formula we derived for the normal pyramid was int k equal to 0, k should be less than 2 into I, 2 into I plus 1, 2 into I plus 1, and then we'll do k plus plus here. Okay, and after that we will do system dot out dot print, and we'll print the star here. Okay, these two for loops are done. You can add one more for loop of this to add the spaces after printing star, but it is not required, but still we'll try to add it here. Once this is done, at the end what we'll write the line breaker, system dot out dot print ln, so that our loop will point to the next line, and the same way it will print the stars and spaces. So this is for the first like a normal pyramid for loops. Then again we will have to print the inverted pyramid. So what we'll do, for int I equal to 0, I is less than n I plus plus. This is for the number of rows that we want to print, and it is equal to the n. So basically, in the first for loop we are printing the normal pyramid where four rows are there, and in the inverted also four rows are there. So n is equal to 4, so we have to print till n, so 0 to n. Then for int j equal to 0, j is less than I, and j plus plus. This is the formula we derived for the spaces in inverted pyramid. So we want to print, so in this example, like for this particular last four rows, so I equal to 0 with 0 spaces, I equal to 1 1 space, I equal to 2 2 space, and I equal to 3 3 space. So that's why 0 to I we will print the spaces. System dot out dot print and space. Okay, this is the for loop for spaces. Then we have to print the stars. Int j equal to int k equal to, let's do equal to 0, and k is less than 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 2 into I plus 1. So this was the formula we derived for printing the stars in inverted pyramid. We have completely explained this particular part in previous lecture only, the pattern 8. So here what we'll do, we'll print the star. System dot out dot print that just write the star. Okay, and just for the understanding purpose, we will print again spaces for loop for the following spaces after printing the stars. Here it is not required, but still we'll do it just for our understanding. Let's try to run it. Compilation error, the package system does not exist. Okay, there was some spelling mistake here. I cannot find symbol pointing to line 23. Your output. Okay, yeah, one print line breaker we missed at the end of this for loop. Yeah, now it should run. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's try to submit. N equal to 4, it's working. N equal to 2 also, it's working. Yes, it is accepted. And here the time complexity, if we see, let's say we are running like this is n square, this for loop, this is also n square. So O of n square, O of 2 into n square is my time complexity. And talking about space, it is O of 1, because we are just using these variables here to store the data. Apart from these variables, we don't need any extra space here. So yeah, I hope you understood the concept here. Thank you for watching.